Hey guys, happy Thursday. Just wanted to pop in real quick and see how everybody's doing. I just wanted to share with you guys just all of this tax season momentum has really been fun. And I'm realizing that I think this has been like day 18 of receiving, payments in the mail, and how fun this is, guys. Literally, I've been, part of this program for a year now, and this can be had by all, guys. It's a simple mailing a flyer, and people obviously responding, and they respond at different levels and things like that. And my best advice for you is really staying consistent. Sometimes people come to me and they say, what are you doing? I'm staying consistent. I market every single day. I connect with people every single day. And this is also residual. This is the manifestation of what happens within teamwork as well. And, I'm so really pleased with, what's been taking place, because I've literally been, in this business about a year. So just some fun times, wanted to share with you again. Here's another mailbox payday that came in. As you can see, it's addressed to me. And, I wanted to open this up, for you. Sorry, it's taped a little bit here. Okay, hold on a second. Hey guys, happy Thursday. Just wanted to hop on here really quick and just share with you, there's so much buzz around direct mail right now. I literally have had, like, the last 18 days, I've received paydays, and just has been a ball. And really what makes it a kick is that we're seeing the high response because of tax season. People are taking their tax returns, and they're, coming in at the higher levels with this, or they're just making a decision to be in business with their tax return, because all of us, obviously, we work very, very hard, for our money. So yes, there's the aspect of working hard for your money, but then there's also the other aspect of leveraging and actually putting your money to work for you, where you're earning residually. And that's what we have here. We have residual, we have leverage, and it's so fun. And this is a great time of year to take advantage of it, guys, because people have that resource that they can tap in. And if they do come up at the higher levels, it's a one and done. You literally get in at the higher level. Let's say you come in at the $1,000 level, you get all the mailers. You get the 500, the 250, the 100, the 50, and the 25. That all get included with your marketing kit when you partner at the top. You also can, plug into the stamp mailer. That's a one and done. It's a one-time $80, and that has paid for itself many times over. I know many of you are already using the stamp mailer. If you're not using the stamp mailer, absolutely get that from me, and let's get you going on that, guys. And then, of course, at the $100 or better levels, I have my buyer lead list that I'm providing to those that obviously partner at those levels. So if you're at the higher levels as well, you want to make those available to your people, and they are very responsive. And I am just seeing, I've been testing some different ones, and let me tell you, these paydays are flowing in, and it's been great. So I just wanted to come on here, give you some inspiration, keep obviously promoting in social media. There's lots of people looking, and they need some direction. They need the how-tos and what to say to people, how to create their ads out there in social media, that type of thing, guys. And we have the goods. So when you're consulting with people and asking them, hey, what am I embracing here? It's a residual direct mail business, obviously, but they have a support team here, guys. Our owner is hands-on. He opens the calls every Tuesday. We have that call resource. Also, as a reminder, we're doing a marketing workshop again this Saturday. It's 9 Pacific time, 10 Mountain, 11 Central, and then of course 12 Eastern. And just such great stuff is shared, great information I should say is shared on that marketing workshop. And so excited to be sharing that again as well. And I'll be doing the reminder details for that, because we're just a couple days away from that, guys, and just having so much fun with this, guys. And I love what I'm passionate about is reaching out and helping people. I'm passionate about the fact that the online space really permits you to create what you want. You have the ability to create what you want. Many of us, if we're doing the 9 to 5 job, you get paid on the 1st, you get paid on the 15th, and then it's done. Why not get paid every other day in between? With the exception of Sundays, most months have 26 days. Why not set yourself to have 26 days of paydays? That's a relief, guys. Even if it's $50, you're looking at a day. You're looking at $1,200 a month coming into your pocket in addition to what you're already doing. So, and of course you can expand on that when you have the multi-levels. You have people coming in at the $100 level, $250 level, $500 level, $25 level. Even with the $10 cash machine, you have the multiple $10 payments. That can add up too. You get 20, 30, 40 of those. That's $400. That in itself allows you to upgrade, obviously, to the higher levels, and gives you the ability to, add more selection, for people out there. So anyway, I just wanted to pop on here, and I hope all of you are having, as much fun with this as I am. And I just encourage you, reach out to me if you need me to get on the phone with anybody and do 3-way calls, or anybody that you might want to connect with, that you want to partner with, and they want to see the bigger picture, and they want to say, hey, I want to speak with somebody that has some experience in this industry and can help them further, their dreams. That's what it's all about, guys, is setting people free. And I'm so excited. I'm seeing glimpses. I'm not at my dream level yet in this business, but I'm seeing glimpses of what is absolutely possible with this. And I'm so excited. I know in my mind, I know in my heart, 4 to 5 years down the road, I'm going to be at a definite, if I'm not at my financial freedom level, I will definitely be in a very, very handsome income with this company. And all of you, I hope to help all of you create that same, foster that same environment, for your families. So anyway, thanks for stopping by, and I look forward to doing, my next video soon. Take care.